Securely linking your Steam account to Faceit.
Hello there. Today we're going to be discussing a topic many gamers find important: how to correctly and securely link your Steam account to your Faceit account. Whether you're just getting started or need some troubleshooting, this step-by-step guide should have all the information you need. We'll go through the entire process, ensuring your gaming experience is smooth and secure. Let's dive in.
Why should you connect your Steam account to Faceit?
Faceit is a platform that allows gamers to play their favorite games in a competitive environment. For games such as CS, Geo, Dota 2, and many more, you might find it's a much more engaging experience than traditional matchmaking. Faceit requires you to link your Steam account to ensure you own the game you wish to play and for seamless integration of your gaming stats.
How do you create a Faceit account?
Before connecting your Steam account, you must first have a Faceit account. 1. Go to the Faceit website. 2. Click on Register at the top right. 3. You can register using an email or sign up with a social media account. 4. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process.
How to connect your Steam account to Faceit.
Now that you have a Faceit account, you can link your Steam account. Follow these steps. 1. Log into your Faceit account. 2. Go to your profile and click on Game Settings. 3. Find the section labeled Steam. 4. Here, click Add Game. You will be redirected to Steam. 5. Log into your Steam account if you aren't already logged in. 6. Confirm that you want to connect your Steam account to your Faceit account. Please note that your Steam profile must be set to public for Faceit to access and link it.
Troubleshooting tips.
If you're encountering issues when trying to connect your Steam account to Faceit, here are a few potential solutions. Check your Steam profile privacy settings. It should be set to public. Make sure that you are not already using the Steam account on another Faceit profile. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then, try again. And there you have it. That's how you securely link your Steam account to Faceit. We hope this step-by-step guide has made the process straightforward for you. Always remember to keep your account secure and happy gaming.